This is my T-Rex costume. I've had it for several years. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it below. I wear it to different events and parades, parties, etc. Halloween. It's a lot of fun. So it comes in a little bag. Put it on. It has, I believe, AA batteries. So it takes about 5 minutes to inflate. It comes with little hands and everything, so it's very difficult to move around in this thing. Plus I'm short, so it's hard to see it from the little plastic window. This is my Jurassic Park kayak. I will link the video about making that below. I basically just got a plain green kayak at a sports store, I think it was Sports Authority or something, and then I bought the stickers online. I was going to sit in the kayak and hand out candy, but it was super uncomfortable. So I didn't last very long in this. I later put on my rollerblades and was handing out candy that way at the edge of my driveway. But obviously rollerblading in this costume was a little bit dangerous. I was checking both ways from the little plastic window and everything, but it was still a little bit scary.